This is Sean Kinney with RCR Wireless News. I'm here at the Texas Wireless Summit, and I'm joined by Brian Modoff. He's the Director of Communications Research for Deutsche Bank, and he's here today to present on IoT, the Internet of Things. Brian, can you tell us a little bit about how connected devices will help Deutsche Bank in their enterprise?
Well, you know, one other thing, we have a company called Enlighted that's going to be on our panel. Enlighted has sensors that go into a building for controlling heating and lighting in a room like this, and they sit inside either the lighting fixture itself or in the room. And what they do is they manage the heat based on the actual ambient temp or the temperature in the room, how much energy is coming in from the windows, and when do we turn it on off, how many people are in the room. Same thing with lighting. If it's sunny out, then the lighting gets backed off. If it gets dark, the lighting gets turned up. But that company is working with utilities now, and in places they've been deployed, because it's so effective, they're cutting energy bills by 65%. So that's just one example of when you put the Internet of Things and you apply it to a function, how it can have a big impact on the economics of that function. It can significantly reduce the waste that you see, and so that's one idea. We're also going to see this applied into homes. You're going to see this, you're already seeing this in cars. You're going to see this applied to a number of things.
And I'm sure you've seen some of the same projections we see that project, some 50 billion devices by 2020, 2022. And I think that this sort of resource management, facility management, that's just the tip of the iceberg.
That's one of them. If you go into Apple at all, you go to the Apple store, they have a section now on IoT, and the number of products in there for your home is growing. Obviously there's Sonos, we know about that, we know about Dropcam, but now they have an 8-channel controller to manage your sprinkler system. You've got a variety of systems in there, and it's growing, and these are all self-installs. And so you're seeing a proliferation in the types of products coming out. And if anyone that's used Dropcam or used Sonos, you find out how easy it is to put this stuff in. You're really getting that that ease of use starting to occur. Ease of use is one of the first things you have to see before you get to mass adoption. So you will see numbers like that. It's whether it's 2020 or 2022 or 2023, I don't know exactly, but you're going to see this proliferation.
Well, it certainly is exciting, Brian, and I thank you for joining us, and we certainly look forward to your presentation.
Thank you.